Hello guys, Guilherme Diniz here, talking with you, and our video today we are talking about how can we load data with Alteryx. In our first video, I explained you a little more about what Alteryx is, and now I'm going to show you how we can load CSV files or XLXS files, right? So let me show you. So at the top in our toolbar, we have many kinds of tools to data loading, data transformation, and what we want to do here is select input data, it's this one, and we will drag and drop this tool inside the canvas here. See here, we have this tool where in the left side we have many options, many configurations that we will set, and one of them are connect to a file or some databases. If you have an Oracle database or SQL database, you can connect either, but in this video I will show you only connecting with files CSV or XLXS files. Okay, so let's do it. Selecting here, he will show you the connections. In here many options are displayed to us, and we will select files. There are many other options to select, like the last used, the recent files that we have used, and the saved databases or saved files if you want to keep them here, or we can just select files where we want to load in our application. So selecting files here, Alteryx supports many types of files, like IXDB, where is the Alteryx database, and many other kinds of files. But I want to select XLXX file to read and show you how we can do it. So we have and select documents, project, do expand customers. Okay, selecting the file, the pop-up it show it to us to select the sheet. Okay, let's select Planilla 1 and then okay. When we select the sheet and the file, it automatically shows us a preview of the data where we can see here the name of the columns and the data. If we have more than 100 records, it will only show the first 100 records. And okay, let's run this workflow. And here at the bottom, you can see the data where we loaded from our Excel file. Let me show you the Excel file. That this is the Excel file, and that's it. I hope you learned something new, and if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. It helped me a lot. Okay, thank you for watching.